When the time comes to rebuild your GM LS engine, Mr. Gasket has made it just a little bit easier with these alignment tools. Mr. Gasket's alignment tools take out the guesswork when installing an LS timing cover and rear cover. Best of all, these Mr. Gasket tools fit all LS engines. Most engines use dowel pins to provide very accurate alignment of these covers, but GM's LS series engines do not have these dowel pins. And this often leads to annoying leaks at the harmonic balancer and rear main seals. Mr. Gasket's alignment tools simply work by using the crankshaft for alignment. By properly aligning the timing and rear cover, you prevent leaks and get that perfect factory seal. Two alignment tools are available for the LS timing cover. Part number LSTC1 is used when you don't have a seal installed. If you want to reuse the existing front seal that is already installed on the timing cover, use part number LSTC2. It simulates the hub as it centers your timing cover. Mr. Gasket's alignment tool part number LSTC1 is slightly more accurate than LSTC2 since the seal can flex slightly. To wrap up the rear of the engine, use Mr. Gasket's rear cover alignment tool part number LSRC1. It allows you to align the rear cover as well as install the rear main seal. Engine builders will find these tools very useful and affordable. And since these alignment tools are molded from plastic polymer, they won't scratch your crankshaft and make a great addition to your toolbox. Be sure to watch our how-to video on how these products work. Thanks for watching. For more information on Mr. Gasket products, visit our website at mrgasket.com.